to know the baggage allowance. The airline provides free check-in baggage allowance to passengers. However, it depends on the route of travel and cabin class. It shall be noted that the airline has two cabin classes, Economy and Falcon Gold. Within these two broad categories, there are fare classes for each. The airline provides a baggage allowance calculator to know the baggage allowance. You are required to enter the origin, the destination and select the cabin and fare class to know the baggage allowance. You can also ask us about the same in the comments section below. A standard baggage shall be of size up to 76 cm by 51 cm by 31 cm, which is a linear dimension of up to 158 cm. Size more than 158 cm linear dimensions but less than 215 cm is considered oversized. Oversized bag is chargeable as an extra piece of bag. The weight of a standard bag shall not be more than 23 kg. However, the maximum acceptable weight of a check-in bag is 32 kg. If your allowance is 23 kg and you carry more than 23 kg but less than 32 kg, then overweight charges apply. Infants are also allowed one piece of check-in bag of max 15 kg weight. Children of more than 2 years of age have the same baggage allowance as an adult, and you can also bring one collapsible stroller or pushchair and a car seat. Cardboard boxes are also allowed as check-in bag, which shall not be more than 76 cm by 51 cm by 31 cm in size. The airline strictly prohibits certain types of baggage due to problems in handling these at airport. So, the carriage of irregular baggage, blanket or fabric sheet wrapped baggage, matted woven or plastic baggage and baggage with long and loose straps is not acceptable.
So yun guys, dinry ko rin noon sa Qatar Airways. Na-try ko na 35 kilos ang aking bagahe, pero 33 kilos yun. Ayaw nila. Sabi nila sakto lang daw. Sabi ko bakit? Bakit hindi pwede? 35 kilos nang allow sa akin. Yun nga, hindi nila masyado na-explain dito sa airport. Pero yun pala yung reason na hindi karamihan ng mga airlines ay hanggang 32 kilos lang ang single bag nila. So, hindi pwedeng sumobra ng 33 kilos. So, ganun guys. Airlines nyo, i-google nyo lang. O, kung halimbawa, 40 kilos dyan, in case na dito sa aking flight na to na 40 kilos. That means, isang bag na malaki ay maximum is 32. So, ang gagawin namin, since 40 kilos siya, so, 30 na lang sa isang bag and then 10 kilos sa isang bag. So, itong bagahe na to, saka itong bagahe na malaki. Yan. Ito, so, yan yung normal na bagahe. So, ito yung, dito na lang gagawin ng dalawang bag. So, ganoon na lang gagawin namin. So, dyan, yung hand carry niya is 6 kilos only. Thank you.